man. We can't dance that song, yeah. They're all time, man. We want something like. You see me? But guys, here what? After 3 we're there. Big up all the after 3. Guys, click on the link. Join us today. We are your friendly shipping company. Good lady, stop before you crash. We're your friendly shipping company that allows you to buy your items from overseas and get them shipped, delivered to your doorstep here in nice Jamaica. Guys, it's brilliant out today. The sun is not too hot. Everything is nice and cool and calm. And I want you to calmly go ahead. Click on the link down here or in the description box. Join us today and have us ship your items for you. And listen guys, when you join today, become a platinum member. Because as a platinum member, we're going to allow you to ship 4 times per year for free. Alright, it's free to be a platinum member. So go ahead, click on the link, join us today, become a member. Allow us to ship for you now, man. You're looking at a shipping company over there. Alright, catch you guys later. Bye. After 3, salute. Pick up on yourself.